Hello everyone, this is Linda. I hope you all having a beautiful day. Listen guys, it is gorgeous. It's gorgeous. So today I'm going to be doing a lot in my garden. I'm going to clean the area where I'm going to drop my blackberries. We're going to do that today. I'm going to share with you all a Dollar Tree haul. Yeah, I loved it, y'all. Check it out, okay? Also, we're going to drop some seeds. And listen, I don't know what else I'm going to do, but I'm going to bring you with me, okay? I'm going to bring y'all with me. I am just so excited about getting this day started. Kick off your shoes and relax your feet. Let's get on with the video. Yeah. Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. This is my pigeon pea. So I had two successful pigeon peas to germinate. I placed one here in this container, and I'm going to share where I placed the other one. Yeah, so thank you, Stacy. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate that. Yeah. So I also dropped all of my cucumbers. They are in the soil. Yeah, they in there, baby. Today we're going to harvest all of these huge leaves on my walking stick kale, my 1,000-head kale here, and I'm going to harvest the huge leaves over here under this under this rose tree, this rose bush. Is she a tree or is she a bush? But we're gonna get these leaves from over here too. On yesterday, I received some mail, and it was from Back to Our Roots Homestead. Yeah, and these are many of sweet peppers he sent me. He sent me 5 sweet peppers. There they are, all dropped in cups. But Chris, I remember you told Cheryl a certain pepper was sweet. I don't know if many of you all remember that. But Cheryl put that pepper in her mouth there. It wasn't sweet, Chris. But I'm going to trust you, man. I'm going to trust you. So they're all sweet, he says. All 5 of them are sweet. And I dropped them, right? So we're going to see what it do. Thank you all so much, Chris and Cheryl. I love it. I love it, man. Thank you. I'm looking forward to these peppers growing beautifully in this little Katrina brick. Yeah, everybody want to cut their grass this morning. So this is my blackberry. She's in the ground, baby. She's in the ground. I got this little area all together. This is a 4 o'clock plant back there. I let her stay. She reseeded herself. And this is a Dollar Tree Blue Magic Iris. Now, she comes back every year in this container, and she is about to show us her flower. Yeah, but that's her. The Blue Magic Iris. So here's a picture of one I did a couple years ago, and this is the pack that it comes in. Yeah. All right, guys. From the Dollar Tree. There they are. I don't remember if I shared with you all my azaleas so far. She is just going absolutely beautifully. She really is. She's doing really good. As you walk into the garden, this is what the first thing you see walking in here. Yeah, that's her. So in this container, I just dropped some leafy greens. Yeah, like mustards, collards. Yeah, that's what's in here. They'll be showing up real soon. course, my potatoes are doing well. And the garlic. Yeah. And my onion. Well, I see there is a Xena in the middle of the onion. No, I'm going to get her out of there. These are the Texas sweets. And this is my Creole girls, y'all. They all doing well this morning. Very, very well. Very well. So here's many of my tomatoes that I started out here. This is about, I don't know how many, but anyway, this is my tomatoes. But now, let's go inside and I'm going to share with you all my Dollar Tree haul, y'all. Check it out. I picked up these gladiolas yesterday from Dollar Tree. Now I've had them many times and I've grown gladiolas for many years, right? But this is the Milage, the Trader Horn, the Juster, and the Pink Supreme. So I got them all and they are beautiful, family. I'm ready for them, right? Also, I picked up another knife. Another one, yeah. I found this over here. It's called, let's see. It's called a flour sack tower. But I'm going to use it as cheesecloth. That's what I'm going to use it for. Now, this is a furniture scratch marker. Now, I'm going to use this in my garden. And one of the things that attracted me to it was it's waterproof and it dries quickly. So we're going to use it in the garden, just see how it goes. Of course, I have some more string, some more starter cups, some tape. I have 2 of those, and more string. I always need string in the garden, right? And this it's called a tumbling tower, but yeah, it's like Jenga. So Jada and Jaden, we're going to play that. Yeah, I kind of like it. Of course, I picked up Jada some gloves. I picked me up some, y'all, but I used them very quickly. Yeah, I did. But the main reason I went back over there is because of these guys right here. So these are canisters. So they come in different sizes. This is this one. So, I have 2 like this, and this is the other one, and this is another size. I have this one, and I have 6 of these beautiful babies. Look at that, y'all. They are really neat. I love them. Let's see if we can see. No, we can't see. But they are really awesome. If you are trying to ditch the plastic, this is your friend for sugar, flour, cornmeal. Even I'm going to add more of my dehydrated herbs in it, right? So this is my way of, I began to ditch the plastic. This is mullein. This is dried mullein, and I just have her in this glass. This is my powdered moringa. Yeah, that's powdered moringa. So I'm ditching all of the plastic. And then we find these babies. Yeah. So, okay. When I went to Target, I found 3 of these canisters, very similar to these, and they were about $28 for 3. So, you do the math on these 6, just the bigger ones. Awesome, y'all. So, if you're trying to ditch the plastic, head to your Dollar Tree, right? All right, guys. Join me tomorrow, Sunday, at 7 p.m. Central Time. We're going to have another awesome live. Oh, yeah. I'll see you there, okay? Later.